Are your beats not sounding wonky enough? Well, here's a solution. Quintuplets. Yes, quintuplets, also known as fives. They're a subdivision, meaning much like 16th notes, which are 4 notes per beat, or sextuplets, which are 6 notes per beat. Quintuplets is 5. You won't come across them very often, especially in contemporary music.
But this is why we like them.
Because these feel so unnatural to most of our ears, you have to play this to a metronome, especially to begin with. And for this particular groove, we're going to play right, left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left. Notice that accent that happened on the left there. Really important you play it.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4.
I suggest you say university instead of trying to count to 5. Just makes life a lot easier. University, 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 university. Put the right hand on the ride cymbal, same thing again.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Once that's comfortable, and that might take a while, so be patient with yourself. Bass drum on the first beat and the 4th beat of that first set of 5. So
1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1.
So if you want to set your MD or bandmate or anyone in the near vicinity who's vaguely musical, then there you go. You're welcome.